हर हर
Mahadev. We have just taken a dip into a very freezing cold water.
ओम शांति तिलकाय नमो नमः जय बाबर
हर हर महादेव।
There is no snow link as of now, but there is Trishul. Parvati ji is there, and it is in the form of half snow form. We also have seen couple of pigeons there. Both are in white color.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to today's YouTube channel Wanderum 2.0.
We got some stay here. This looks like langar. Come stay services, which is absolutely for free, and the kind of hospitality they were showing is absolutely incredible. And so we got these beds, and we also got this kambals to sleep. So everyone is so tired, and they all want to sleep. She's feeling little headache and head heaviness because we are at 13,000 feet height, and she has done it for the first time and like crazy. It is 5:54 in the morning. We left for darshan. I hope that Parameshwar want us to visit him today, and we will have a seamless and darshan without any issues. We have Chui with us. He has done darshan yesterday already. And Chui, how was the experience?
Oh, it's super actually. The way I was expecting, like nobody should be there. I should be able to properly have a darshan, and I can have my own darshan, like no rush. And to be honest, like as the only one, and another guy came after me, so we were just two person and some security forces. And honestly, when I reached there, automatically tears came out of my eyes, to be honest. And it was such a nice moment. I stand there for around 5 to 10 minutes, completely in tears. Don't know why, but it felt nice. And
It's again in the morning. He's coming with us. He stayed back with us, and he's going to have his second darshan now.
Yeah, now this time I'll take a bath. Yesterday I didn't take a bath. These things I've been wearing for 3 days. Today I'll take.
And he's going to
completely
dip in
darshan
this river directly in the cold water now.
Let's see, that's the target.
Navya is having breathing issues since we are on 13,000 feet height, but she is really good, really doing good. Now also she wanted to take mule, but she don't want to. She's insisting that she'll try her level best. Har Har Mahadev! Har Har Mahadev!
From here, we have to do 6 kilometers of trekking. You also have helicopter services directly from Baltal and Pahalgam.
This entire road for almost a kilometer or a couple of kilometers is only descending, so we are pretty comfortable with it.
This is landslide prone area and one has to be really careful. No one should stay here for long.
We came from after Kali Mata temple. I think there is a top actually. We forgot the name actually, but from there the cave is only 6.5 kilometers away. Even you can see at that side there's a valley. Like it might be small, might be looking small, but that's called Panchtarni. Like whoever travels from Pahalgam route, they have to mandatorily stay there. Like that's the checkpoint. So and the lastly people start in the beginning, like in the morning. That's the exact distance also 6.5 from there to the holy cave.
So there are two base camps. One is from Baltal. This is the base camp. From here also, holy cave is 6.5 kilometers. From Panchtarni, which is the base camp for Pahalgam, is also 6.5 kilometers. So this is the first view of Holy Cave. Har Har Mahadev! Har Har Mahadev! Our energy levels are boosted after seeing this. There is a glacier and there is a path from here. This is all staircase way, and you can clearly see Holy Cave there next to the glacier. Either just that's the Pahalgaon route where you can see people, and this is Balthal road. We lost him a half an hour back and finally we found him. Har Har Mahadev!
Shambho Shankar.
So after seeing Shivji, people usually, being emotional. And there's a glacier here, sort of a small cave where people usually go inside and take photos.
हर हर
Mahadev!
बोलो बाबा बर्फानी की
Jai! So there is one ice wall here. If anyone want to have the ice wall climbing experience. Before darshan, we are going to take a good holy river shower and then we will go for darshan. Be free. We have just taken a dip into very freezing cold water. Trust me, it was uncomfortable and we thought we will not be able to make it. But once you get in, come out, right? Your body will be relaxed. कैसा लग रहा है?
Crazy.
है ना?
First I thought like I will be deep freeze. I would like to do.
परमेश्वर ईश्वर तो है ऊपर. After us taking a shower here, many of them have joined. These are all the bucks from Pahalgaon route. This is Sangam, where the people from both Balthal and Pahalgaon will meet. We are at Sangam basically. The
People from Pahalgam and people from Balthal will meet here and go for Amarnath Guha.
open. I'm giving you something. How?
There you can see holy cave where Amarnath Ji is available. You need to go through this way.
ओम शांति तिलकाय नमो नमः। जय बाबा
हर हर महादेव।
हर हर महादेव।
राधे राधे लगाना है।
हाँ। Just done with Baba Barhani ka darshan, and trust me, when you go there, you feel that Parmeshwar is sitting there, and you start feeling some sort of emotional thing. Your body will start vibrating. You feel all the vibrations inside your body, and you start feeling goosebumps for sure. Though there is no snow ling as of now, but there is Trishul, and you feel that as if Shivji is holding the Trishul and sitting there, and just right next to that Parvati is there. Parvati ji is there, and it is in the form of half snow form, and we also have seen couple of pigeons there. Both are in white color. People believe that they are Parvati and Shivji, and I'm so blessed to be here without any issues, and I'm so thankful for Lord Shivji and Parvati ji for letting me visit them. I'm so blessed. Har Har Mahadev, Shambho Shankara.
There is a staircase. You need to first go here and then there. Finally, one has to climb till there to do Amarnathji darshan.
So, by the way, the altitude here is 3870 meters.
We had a breakfast come lunch near Guha for free before descending. These two are opting mule to go down.
We three have left from Amarnath, and we are leaving to Baltal by walk. And we have to do some shopping on the way and keep eating from all the free langurs and leave.
We need to ascend this staircase now, a bit of a challenge. On top of a staircase lies Kali Mata temple.
Mules will basically come through this way from the cave, and then they connect from here. This steep is real tough. We're about to reach that 6.5 meters ka base camp from Baltal Road.
We have stopped at one of the langars and had a bit of tea and snack. We have almost stopped after 45 minutes, and this is where the people can stay for a while before moving ahead. Dust issues are too much today, and one can't go without covering their face. It can be very risky for the people who are allergic to dust and having severe asthma.
We have come here and the time is 4:49, and we are finished within 5 hours. Na? ID card देना है इधर.
ID card लेंगे, जमा करेंगे.
So we have to give back our ID cards here. These are free bus services which can drop all the tourists in Srinagar.
You can see the trails above here.
Mm-hmm.
That's called, like, it's a part of Jojila Pass, not entirely.
Okay.
It's continued.
Okay.
Normally, whoever travels to Kargil or Leh, Ladakh, this is the pass actually, and most famous pass, Jojila Pass.
So what you're seeing there on top of the pahad is Zuzila Pass.
From here, you need to go 2 kilometers to Baldal base camp and there are no private or paid transport services. One has to wait in the queue to opt a free bus service or walk back to base camp. We have almost here for bus for an hour. We are finally done with Amarnath Ji Darshan and back to Baldal base camp. It was a bit tiring but a blissful trek of us. Everyone from our group have finished this without any issues. Har Har Mahadev. Thank you once again for watching till the end. Bye.